Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you Class 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 3. He is a carpenter. SLOs of this lesson are: give main idea of the poem, give summary of the poem through case summary exercises, identify line and stanza, express preferences about characters giving reason, deduce meaning of difficult words from context. First, look at the page number 26. There is a warm-up activity here for you. Lines and stanza. The concept of lines and stanza, we will discuss it. Most poems are written in lines, like this is a one line here. This indicates to one line here. A group of lines in a poem is called a stanza. A stanza separates ideas in a poem. In this one stanza, which contains 4 lines here, will have 2 or 3 ideas in these 4 lines. Stanza separate. Stanza अलग करता है 2-3 आइडिया को एक ही स्टेंजा में 4 लाइनों में सेपरेट करता है, लेकिन ये एक साथ जो है इकट्ठी 4 लाइनें जो है ये क्या कहलाती हैं? स्टेंजा कहलाती हैं। लेकिन ये एक लाइन जो है वो लाइन ही कहलाएगी, और ये जो 4 लाइन जब मिल जाएंगी तो उसको हम स्टेंजा कहेंगे पोएम में। नाउ लुक एट द पेज नंबर 27 ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक. वी विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग दिस पोएम हियर. Its name is He is a Carpenter. You can see a carpenter here creating or making something with his saw in his hand. Let's read. Surrounded by various professions, business, medicine, soldiership and education, it's heaven sent and plain for him to labor, to work manually with strength and effort. True hardship entails a great man of honor. Here the manually means to work without technology or electricity, with hands, physically. As you can see that he is working with his hands, he is doing a physical activity here. And entails mean to include, contains. Here this stanza mean here that we have so many professions in the world. Business, medicine, soldier, education, farmer, doctors, teachers, so many professions we have. It's heaven sent and planned for him to labor. But Allah chose, the God Almighty chose this profession here for this man. He's a carpenter. He planned this for him, that he will be a carpenter and will create things out of wood for people. And he is sent from heaven, sent by Allah, to work manually with strength and effort. He worked with his strength, his physical strength and efforts, with his brain, how to carve a table out of wood, how to create or how to make a sofa, chair, draw, so many things we have of woods. Look at your furniture at your home, the furniture made out of wood. So making these things includes so many strength and efforts, physical strength, and the carpenters work without any technology and electricity support. True hardship entails a great man of honor. It means that the person who works hard, he will be respected and have a great honor in himself. He's self-dependent, he can work hard, and he earned money for himself by making these things for people. Now look at the second stanza here. He picked up woods and tools to craft, for small drawers and tables to houses, that will last, an impression of humility and expression of equality. Though he is a reverence, a savior from heaven. He picked the woods and tools to craft and create the things with his mind, he have this ability to create things out of wood. Tables, drawer, sofa, chairs, cupboards. An impression of humility means this profession here is a very humble, and he gives an impression of humility, humbleness, an expression of equality, that he deserves equal honor and respect as other professions here in the world. So his reverence a savior from heaven. Here the reverence mean a respect for something or someone. He is a symbol of reverence, respect, a savior from heaven. He sent to us by God for us, to make things for us. Now look at the last stanza here. Carpenters make, carpenters create. They take the common and make it something to consider. Equipped with right materials, they bind things all together. The reason being for us to know he is a builder. Here, carpenters make and create things out of wood. They take a common wood, a log of a wood, लकड़ी का एक टुकड़ा ले लेता है सादा सा, और उसको make it something to consider, एक ऐसी चीज बना देता है जिसको लोग देखें, तारीफ करें, उसकी खूबसूरत बना देता है अपने स्किल से. Equipped with right materials, उसके पास हथौड़ी होती है, आरी होती है, जिससे वो चीजों को बनाता है. Equipped, having the required things for his profession here, for his work here. The reason being for us to know he is a builder. We know that he is a builder and he create and make things out of wood. This poem is written by Arjun Gopala here. So, what we understand from this poem here, that all the profession here in the world are respected and honorable, and a carpenter creates things and make it beautiful by his mind, by his skills, and he deserves the same respect and honor as other profession in the world. He is sent by God. This profession is planned for him by the God, and he take common things and make it special with the right materials. He is the builder, and the man who works hard have great honor and respect himself and needs equal rights. And the carpenter here is a symbol of humbleness here. You have to deduce the meaning of the following words here. I want you to find these words, the meaning of these words from the dictionary. Look at the theme here of the poem. A nation's strength rests upon the character of its laborers. Laborers achieve greatness for their nation through their sacrifices and deeds. Sacrifices, कुर्बानियाँ. कुर्बानियाँ कैसे देते वो? सख्त मेहनत करके. No profession is big or small. The greatness of a profession lies in hard work. A carpenter cuts, fits and assembles. Assembles तरतीब लगाता है. तरतीब से चीजों को बनाता है. Wood and other materials in the construction of buildings, highways, bridges, furnitures, industrial plants, boats and many other structures. थीम इसकी क्या बताती है? कौम की जो ताकत है वो किस पे है? उसके मजदूरों के हार्ड वर्क पर है. लेबर्स क्या अचीव करते हैं? ग्रेटनेस अचीव करते हैं कुर्बानियां देकर, काम करके, सख्त मेहनत, गर्मी धूप और पसीने में सख्त काम कर कर. कारपेंटर क्या करता है? काटता है, फिट करता है, चीजों को जोड़ता है, लकड़ियों को सीधा करता है, मटेरियल को बहुत ज्यादा खूबसूरत चीजें बना देता है. फर्नीचर, लकड़ियों के घर भी बनते हैं. प्लांट्स, बोट कितनी खूबसूरत दिखती है. तो ये क्या है? सारा कारपेंटर की मेहनत का नतीजा होता है. और अदर स्ट्रक्चर्स, बहुत सी ऐसी खूबसूरत चीजें हैं लकड़ी की, अगर आप गौर करें अपने आसपास. नाउ लुक एट द वर्ड बैंक हियर. यू कैन फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स हियर in this word bank. Now look at the comprehension exercise. You have to read out the text and answer the following question. What kind of man can bring honor to their country? Yes, we have discussed this in the theme and the summary. In the end, I summarize the poem for you. What is the message of the poem? He's a carpenter. You can find the message of the poem in the theme also. What is a nation's strength in? Yes, this is also from your poem, and you can find the answer of this question in its theme. Write the qualities of a carpenter. If you read the poem, you can find the answer of this question. Write the main idea of the poem. Write down nouns used in the poem. Nouns names person, place or thing. You have to find out all the nouns from the poem here. I hope you can do this very easily. Now look at the B section here on page number 29. Read out the text and express your opinion and personal preferences. We have 6 sentences here. For each sentence we have 4 options here. You have to choose the right one. The poem here is a carpenter is written by, yes, it's very easy, it's already written on the page. Ajahn Gopala. He picked up food and tools to craft what? In this line of the poem he refers to, yes, this is about carpenter. It's heaven sent and planned for him to labor. In this line of the poem him refers to what? Yes, this poem is all about carpenter here. I want you to do the 3 here by yourself. Now look at here, the C section here. Gap summary, fill in the gaps with suitable words from the poem. We have discussed the poem and also I summarized the poem for you. So what you need to do? Just give it a read. Read the theme again and you have to fill the gaps with the suitable words. In this one the poet tells us about what? About a, yes, this is about a carpenter here. He says that a carpenter is destined to what? To labor, yes. He works day and night with strength and, yes, it's your from poem, effort. Fill these 3 gaps here by yourself. 4 gaps. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.